Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. So today I'm going to share you a very important job opportunity which is from the Cognizant. And in this job opportunity, the batches that are eligible is of 23, 24 and 2025 batch. So this is the position that is of analyst trainee in the multiple domains like IT, integrated smart operations, multi-cloud and digital workplace services. So these are the multiple positions that you have in this analyst trainee role the Cognizant is hiring for. So, if you are a student or graduated and you are looking for your first job in the IT or related areas, this is the video you need to watch till the end. Okay, and I will also share some of the important tips and the full details about this opportunity, so do not miss this thing. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the Cognizant and what is the role they are offering. And in detail, I will also explain to the job description of the multiple positions I have been told before, right? And what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this and what the documents that are required the Cognizant is asking for. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Okay. So first let's start with Cognizant and the role. Okay, as we all know, Cognizant it is one of the top IT company in India around the world. So they offer many exciting roles for the freshers where they can start their career. So this is the analyst trainee position. It is an entry level role where you will learn and work in different teams which is depending on your skills and the business needs. So there are mainly three different streams that you could be placed, that is the Cognizant is going to place. These are the three streams. So the streams are IT and integrated smart operations, multi-cloud and digital workplace services. So each of these roles have different responsibilities, but all are great for a fresher graduates only and who want to build a strong foundation in the IT services. Now we will discuss in detail each and every position, like what I have been told before, the three positions, and I will explain you the job description of the three positions. So make sure you watch this till the end. Now coming to the first job description, that is of analyst trainee, that is IT and integrated smart operations. So if you want to join this IT and integrated smart operation team, you will work will be including like you will be running the databases and doing the CRUD operations and writing and storing the procedure as well. And you will work preparing and running the tests too. So where you will be running the execution, automating the test and preparing test cases, scripts and all those things. And also will analyze the root cause and fix the survey tickets and whatever the tickets that have been raised by the customer end, you will be solving those all tickets and making the solutions as soon as possible. And then you will be demonstrating some of the professional tools which are related to the IT services and managements and as well as data analytics. So the tools we have, right? So in the data analytics, Power BI and all those things. And you must be very much possessive, like in the strong level, and you must be innovative and experiments the new projects whatever they have. So in this, the location they have been for of this three description job description box, and the locations are you will be getting placed in any of this location, that is Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Mumbai, and Kochi. So these are the locations the Cognizant is hiring for. So you may get any of this location to go to the job. So as per the business requirements, the Cognizant is going to place you in any of this location. Right now, the skills that are required for this is of you must be have a good time management skills, and you must be a better way of written and verbal communication skills too. A problem solving skills you must be having, and critical thinking and strong analytical skills. Okay. Now for this eligibility criteria, the students from the graduating year of 2025 are eligible. So with the 3 years of full-time degree only. So here the no BTech students are eligible. That is of 4 years of full-time degree are not at all eligible to apply for this. Now in this 3 years of degree, we will get the BCA, BSc Computer Science, Information Technology, and aligned streams, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, electronics. So if you come from the 3 years business, 3 years of full-time degree, you are eligible to apply for this role. Now the students should be like they need to have the minimum percentage in the 10th, that is of 60%, 12th and diploma UG. Okay, so in overall your graduation, 10th and intermediate, you must be score the 60% in your in all those things.
Okay, there will be of no round off. That is, if you get the 59.9% also, you are not allowed to apply. Okay, you are ineligible, we can say, and in the cognizant point of view. So at the time of joining, all the recruiters will need to have a minimum 60% aggregate in the pursuing the degrees. As I clearly mentioned over there, there will be no rounding off will be happening over there. Okay, now this is open for the all Indian, overall the India only. There is no outside the country is not hiring. It is only for the India people. So if you are in the inside the India, then you are eligible to apply for this thing. Now coming to the second job description, it is of analyst trainee, which is aligned to the multi-cloud. In this also the same locations what have been told before, they're all in this only having. Okay, so somewhat of different will be there: Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore and Hyderabad. Okay, so based on the role, the locations are of different, and the locations will get placed for this job description. Okay, so based on that you may just go through it once. Now coming to the job description, in this you will be doing like managing and supporting the computing environment and procedure services, and then you will be supporting the Windows, network database, storage, and cloud. So in this, you will be maintaining the databases, managing those operating systems, and all those things, and doing the follow-ups like standard operating procedures and the customer security rules. So you will be serving the customers in this thing, and also you will be participating in productive knowledge sharing sessions, and you will get the knowledge and you will those things as well, and will contribute to the continuous service improvement plans based on the customer needs, and you will be improving those services plans as well. The role expectations in this they are expecting is of like, they need to be client focused and able to work with the user from the different communities and the culture across the globe. Okay, and this associate, it should be willing to work in the 24 by 7 environment and be open to relocate to any of the part of the India based project requirements, as I mentioned clearly their locations. So they need to be able to relocate once the Cognizant confirms them. Okay, and as they have been clearly mentioned that you need to be able to willing to work in the 24 by 7 environment. Okay, so in this the support will be available from the Cognizant when you join as a full-time employee to that company. In this you will having a night shift allowance will be paid by the project only, and the cabs will be provided to pick up and drop up, ensuring that the safety and security and the comfort of the employee. Okay, and you will also get the timely reward and recognitions, so that you will be getting some of the like what we say, some of the happy, and then you will be recognized in the top performance and all those things in the overall company. Now coming to eligibility criteria for this, in this also 2025 graduating batch will be eligible. That is, you need to be have a 3 years full-time degree or only are invited to apply for this, and should must have to score 50% in overall the 10th 12th the diploma and UG, and there will be no round off here. So if you get 14.9% also, you are not eligible to apply for this thing. Now, coming to the next job description is of analyst trainee, which is aligned to the digital workplace services. So in this, you will be doing the like you will be providing the first level of technical support to the end users, and you will be troubleshooting the hardware and the software problems. So whatever the client said, you are getting the server sides, the problems whichever they are getting, you will be resolving those all problems and logging and tracking support tickets, and you will ensure the timely problems are getting solved. So whatever the problems are raised by the customers and the servers, whatever the problems are there, which are related to the hardware and as well as the software, you are ensuring that all the problems are solved on time, and you need to have a clear and polite communication with the clients. It is very important in this, because when you talk to the client in a polite way, so that the client will get to know that the person is talking in a polite way and there is no angriness and all those things. The whatever the client is saying, he is listening all those words and he's replying to my words which is convenient to me, and he's giving me suggestions and all those things. This is the way the conversation should be happen between the client and you. Some of the politeness you need to maintain over there. And simple in this also, the role expectations as of simple, that you must have the verbal and written communication skills, and very much positive to talk with the client in a polite way and a better way. And you must have the technical knowledge to as well, because it's totally a system work and all those things, hardware and assist software work. Then you must have the knowledge to the technical as well. And this is the work shift is of like work from office only. There is uh, it will be including some of the shifts, so I will be discussing in detail. Now, as they mentioned that it is a shifts in the format, right? So there will be a support will be available from the Cognizant. So in this, the night allowance will be provided you, which is paid by the project only. And then The Cognizant will also provide you the caps. If you are going to the night allowance or all those things, then the Cognizant will also provide you the caps, which is like they will pick up and then drop up to you, which will be ensuring that the safety and security and the comfort of the employee. And you'll also get some of the timely recognitions, rewards, and based on your performance in the company. And coming to the eligibility criteria for this is of the students who are graduating in the 2025 year, and you must be come from the 3 years of degree background, and whatever it may be, I just clearly mentioned the first, right? So if you are coming from that, then you are eligible to apply for this. And the student must have their academic score of minimum 50% in the 10th, 12th, diploma and UG, and there will be no rounding off, that is of 49.9% you get, then you are not at all allowed to apply for this thing. So make sure you keep in mind those all things. And here they have been clearly mentioned that the mandate documents for the registration process and the documents for the interview and for the onboarding. And for coming to the first, the documents that are required for the registration is of like you must have the resume, so which is like maximum it should be a 2 pages only resume, not more than that. Okay, if you have the resume of single page, then it is okay. If you that have 2 pages, then you should be 1 bit off with the 2 pages only, not more than that. It should be the highly resolution passport size photo should also be there in your resume as well. Okay, so please ensure that the photo should be clicked at the light background and all these things you know, right? So the passport size photo, how you need to click and all those things, go ahead and shoot in the photo, show you a passport size photo. And next, coming to the documents which are required for the interview, that all the academic documents including like college ID card, if available. If you come from 25 batch, then it will be available for you, then you should have to carry those college ID card too. And mark sheets of your school's college UG mark sheet, and also degree certificates too as well if you have, so in the interview process. And the documents that are required for the onboarding time, the finally the Cognizant, like for the background verifications and all those things will happen. So in this, you must have the PAN card. It is mandatory required for the onboarding, as I clearly mentioned, they are mandatory required. So here you can see mandatory required. And please ensure that the whatever the name you have in the PAN card, first name, last name, father name, and other details should be matched with the some of the other things like voter ID card, and then in the 10th. So the name should be same, not at all different should be happen. Then if you like have different names and all those things, please do edit all over there. That's all about this thing. And as I told that this is a 2025 for batch, as the 2023 and 2024 graduates are also eligible, as I told, right? So if you come from the 2023 or 2024, then you must use this link. I will give this both links in the description box, so please ensure that you must check it and then you only apply. Once it is 2023-24 graduates you are there, then you need to confirm that by seeing this title, and then you must be able to apply over here. If you are from 2025 graduate, then you must confirm this title and you must be able to apply for here. So same eligibility criteria, same thing will be there, same role, and there is no different, the responsibilities and all those things, only the year are different and the links are also different over there. Okay, so that's all about today's video. And if you found this video helpful, so please do like, share, and subscribe to opportunity and for more updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.